what do I have here? Ta-da! These are lithium iron phosphate cells. I have been using AGM batteries for my solar, but now it is time to upgrade. I said I was going to upgrade. Upgrade is here. I'm going to put you through the process, step by step, bit by bit. We'll learn together. Lithium iron phosphate batteries are the way to go if you are doing off-grid application for solar. They are the way to go. That is so energy dense that they hold up so well. Their discharge curve is so fantastic. It's giving your inverter good voltage to work with, and it's just the benefits are just enormous over the lead acid AGMs and gels and that. I've used AGM for over a year now, yes, and still working very well. Working very well because I took good care of them. I made sure I didn't go lower than 40% depth of discharge. So most of the time I'm around 50-60% state of charge. Then I recharge it back and all. So the batteries are still as good as brand new. It's a good start, but when you're upgrading, lithium iron phosphate is the way to go. So I'm just going to show you what I have here and how I did this small assembly for the purpose of this video, because this is not the battery yet. I need my remaining cells to arrive, then I'll build my monster battery that's going to be up and running even without sunlight for a very good amount of time. Okay, so this is what I have. These are my battery cells and my multimeter, digital multimeter, which I'll use to check. I've connected this in series. So what I have here is a typical 12-volt battery. All right. If I was going to use this as 12 volt, all I needed to do was to get a BMS for 12 volts, probably a 4S 100 amps, and get it connected to this and plug it into my solar project, and we are good to go. But no, I'm going for 48 volts. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you a 12 volt setup. Then, when my cells are complete, I'll be building the main battery and I'll put you through the process, okay? So all these are connected in series, and I use very thick copper cables. These cables are about 4 gauge, about 10 mm if you are here in Nigeria, 10 mm cables where you link negative to positive to negative to positive. That's a series connection. So all volts of 3.2 each add up, and this is 100 amp hour cells. So what I have here is a 12 volt 100 amp hours lithium iron phosphate battery. We can just check it up and see the state of charge for the battery setup using my multimeter. Okay, so the positive goes to the positive. This is the positive point here, and this is the negative point here. And then we check what we have in the multimeter. All right, to see our state of charge right now. All right, so let's do that. Let's put it negative. Then we put up the positive. Pay attention to the multimeter, okay? That's 13.2, meaning that this battery is fully charged, the cells are fully charged, and we are good to go. If I were to do a 12 volt setup, all I needed to do was to get a 4S BMS, 100 amps, get it connected to this, and we are good with our lithium iron phosphate batteries. Okay, so when my other cells arrive, we're going to have our 48 volt system set up and take out the AGM batteries in my solar powerhouse and replace them with this. This is the way to go. This is the right upgrade from lead acid. Okay, so guys, this is my introduction to lithium iron phosphate, my battery build, DIY, do it yourself. Okay, subsequent videos I'll show you how I build my 48 volt 5 kilowatt hour storage of lithium iron phosphate battery. It's a huge one, it's a strong one. It's going to work very well, way better than the lead acid counterparts. Wow, these things are heavy, but trust me, not as much as heavy as the lead acid batteries. Alright guys, so I'll see you in my next video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Let's learn together. Have a nice day.